Hi guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD guys. Yesterday we were buying this, but as you guys can see, the price has been able to decide a direction yet. It's been ranging around, so unable to go to either side. So in my opinion, we're getting something like this. So that guys, the question for today is what are we going to do next? Are we going to buy this? Are we going to sell this? And that is quite confusing for me today because I don't have direction for either side. Uh-huh. Let's check out the 4 chart. So guys, it's quite confusing. Sorry for you wasting your time, but we will have to pick a side. But the side is not clear yet, guys. So what I am going to do, guys, it's simple. For today, as long as the price is able to stay below 1.34399, guys, I am bearish. And I would target 1.34024. Okay, guys. Why small targets, guys? Because the market is looking kind of bearish and kind of choppy. And in a choppy market, your targets should be small. And guys, my second target would be 1.33819. And guys, if we break above this, we will be seeing 1.34595, and after that, guys, 1.34803. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.